If you are a Shopify seller, our app based on chat can handle most of your store's customer service tasks. Can truly understand the customer's meaning. Provide recommendations for in-store products. Offer discounts based on the customer's purchasing tendencies. And also identify common customer questions. Our customer service chatbot supports up to 70 languages. It can recommend corresponding products based on customer needs in Japanese. Seamlessly switch to Spanish language support. And also support Chinese language conversations. Without any development experience, you can install our app in just 3 steps. Step 1. Click on the Install button. Step 2. Set up your customer service name, store introduction, and featured products. Step 3. Activate the plugin in the Shopify theme editor.